Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your laptop font to default. We'll cover why your fonts might look different and guide you through restoring them to their original appearance. You'll learn methods for both Windows and Mac OS, ensuring your display is consistent and easy to read again. This process is straightforward and will help you regain a familiar look for your system. Let's get started on making your screen look just right. For Windows users, begin by opening your control panel and navigating to the Fonts folder. On the left side, you'll find an option labeled Font Settings. Click on this and then locate the button that says Restore Default Font Settings. After clicking, it's a good idea to restart your computer to ensure all changes are fully applied and your system's fonts are back to their original state. If you're on a Mac, the process is quite simple using the Font Book application. Open Font Book, then go to the File menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, choose Restore Standard Fonts. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm this action. Proceed with the confirmation. Finally, restart your Mac to ensure the default fonts are completely reloaded and visible across your system. Sometimes, simply restoring defaults isn't enough. If you're still experiencing issues, check if you have any third-party font management software installed, as these can override system settings. It's also wise to run a scan for malware or corrupted system files. As a last resort, consider using a system restore point if you have one from before the font changes occurred. For persistent problems, contacting technical support is always an option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.